me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Getting my
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hey you, thank you so much for joining us today. So the wig we have to try on today was sent from Asteria hair. Thank you so much to them for sending this one out. So we're just going to head right into unboxing and styling, and I'll be back to share my thoughts with you guys.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it. Somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm used to treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm used to treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my
this is what we have after styling, and ooh, can we get into her? The lace on this one, gorgeous. This one is laid to perfection, and she's totally glueless, you guys. I didn't have to go in with my glue with this one. And can we get into that lace? Ooh, melted in, you guys. Love, love, love it. And as you guys saw, styling was pretty much effortless with this one. If you're a beginner, you're going to love this one because she already comes pre-plucked, knots already bleached, and it even came parted as a middle part, so you don't have to do too much. Just take off the lace, add your lace tint and maybe a bit of foundation that is like a shade darker on the hairline, and you're good. You guys, love it. And she's a 7x4 closure wig, so you have enough room to party to the left or to the right if that is your preference. And I have this one in 18 inches and 5'6" for reference, and this is where it gets to on me. And this is a 250. I wanted to say that this is the 250% density. You guys, sometimes getting these words out is just ridiculous. But anyways, you guys, she's 250% density and she's pretty full. You guys saw what it looked like before I wet it, and you could actually make this one fuller by letting it dry down and then fluffing it out a little bit more. So yeah, you guys, I think we pretty much covered everything. A 10 over 10 in my opinion. Absolutely love this one. The lace melted in, everything looks great to me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm going to have the direct links, every information that you need written in my description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.